The Indus Valley Civilization belongs to which age? Answer: Bronze Age. Which was the first site of Indus Valley Civilization to be discovered? Answer: Harappa. Who discovered Harappa in 1921? Answer: Dayaram Sahani. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by. Answer: R.D. Banerjee. Which river is associated with the site of Harappa? Answer: Ravi. The Great Bath has been found in. Answer: Mohenjo-daro. The people of Indus Valley Civilization worshipped. Answer: Pasupati Protosiva. Which of the following animals was not known to the Indus people? Answer: Horse. The script of Indus Valley Civilization was. Answer: Pictographic. Lothal is located in present day. Answer: Gujarat. Which structure is associated with water storage and drainage in Harappa? Answer: Great Bath. Which of the following Indus cities had an artificial dockyard? Answer: Lothal. The Indus Valley Civilization is also called. Answer: Harappa Civilization. Which Indus Valley site provided evidence of plough field? Answer: Kalibangan. Which item was commonly used for making seals? Answer: Steatite. The main crops of Indus Valley Civilization were. Answer: Wheat and barley. The Indus Valley people knew the use of which metal? Answer: Copper. Dholavira is located in which modern state? Answer: Gujarat. Which of the following was not used by the Indus people? Answer: Iron tools. The script of the Indus Valley Civilization is. Still undeciphered. Which of these is a Harappan site located in India? Answer: Roper. The typical shape of Harappan seal is. Answer: Square. Evidence of maritime trade has been found? Answer Lothal. Which Harappan site is considered the largest? Answer Rakhigadi. Terracotta figure found at Harappan site represent animals and mother goddess. The town planning of Indus Valley Civilization was. Answer grid pattern. What was the primary building material used by Harappans? Answer bronze bricks. Which site is famous for fire altars? Answer Kalibangan. Which Harappan site shows evidence of bead making industry? Answer Chahudaro. The weight used by Harappans were mostly made of. Answer stones. The famous bronze statue of the dancing girl was found at. Answer Mohenjo-daro. Which of the following Harappan cities had no citadel? Answer Chahudaro. Which of the following was the most important feature of Harappan cities? Answer drainage system. The granaries in Harappan civilization were used for. Answer storage of grains. What led to the decline of Indus Valley civilization? Answer all of the above. The Indus Valley civilization extended to present day. Answer India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. The Indus people used weights and measures in the ratio of. Answer decimal. What is the meaning of Mohenjo-daro? Answer mound of the dead. The Indus people used which system for trade? Answer barter system. The Harappan civilization flourished during. Answer 3300 to 1300 BC. Which of these sites in the Haryana? Answer Rakhigadi. Which metal was unknown to the Harappans? Answer iron. The Indus Valley civilization was primarily. Answer urban. A typical Harappan shield depicts. Answer an animal with script. Which Indus Valley city is considered the most advanced in water conservation? Answer Dholavira. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in which year? Answer 1921. The Harappan civilization was contemporary with. Answer Egyptian and Mesopotamia. The seals from Harappa were mostly used for. Answer stamping, goods and trade. Which of the following was not a Harappan site? Answer Pataliputra. The Harappan trade with. Answer Mesopotamians.